Hi Biostrap family! In this video, let's get to know your activity pod. If you ordered a set with the pod included, it will arrive with 2 additional accessories that you will need in order to wear it successfully. That being said, we have the pod, the shoe clip, and the ankle strap. This activity pod has a built-in accelerometer and gyroscope, so it can track movement. For example, if you are an avid cyclist, this is a great opportunity to track your cadence. Biostrap will calculate your average revolutions per minute and also the total revolutions of your recording. You can wear your pod in 2 different ways. One way is to place it on top of your shoelaces. Place the clip under your tied shoelaces with the single line of the clip pointing toward your toes. Take the Biostrap pod and put the logo side down in the clip, aligning the single and double lines. Press down until you hear it click into place. This will ensure the pod is secure. Your second option is to wear it with the ankle strap. Secure the pod on the strap using the shoe clip the same way, ensuring the single and double lines match and pressing down until it clicks. This way, you can still track your activity even if your shoes don't have laces. Plus, if you have a Sleep Lab subscription, you can also measure your leg movement during the night. To charge it, simply place it on the charger like this and pair with your Biostrap app. Have your Bluetooth turned on, then go to Settings. Select Add Device. Place the pod near your phone and wait until pairing is successful. To learn more, please go to biostrap.com or visit our YouTube channel for additional information. Thank you for watching.